Hey y'all, CB here at NBS Welding, and we got another dump trailer in the shop. Very common occurrence. What's happened here, somebody didn't get the door latched, dumped the dump trailer up, and this is what happens. So this door, obviously, when the dump trailer got dumped, it's hit the ground, tweaked out the hinges. Now, we see this pretty common where those hinges get ripped and tweaked. This one has that issue to deal with, and we're going to get this straightened out, but this one's got another issue to deal with. A little bit different than a lot of them, and so I'm looking forward to showing you that too. Get some of this paint out of the way. Little MIG repair with the Arc Captain MIG 205 Pro, 30,000 solid MIG wire and a mixed gas. Right here, I'm going to show you the problem this one's got. How this one's right. See this upper hinge? We put the bolt in. Not a lot of play there. That's how it should be. Look at this one. We notice that's really sloppy, how that's been bent like that. Then if you look at it, see how this one's tight? Look at the gap on this one. So we got this issue to deal with, and this is a little bit different, but you definitely got to check them. You don't want to leave them loose like that, because if they're left loose like that, it's just going to get looser. This is one of the issues too that can cause you a problem with your latching. If those are tight, you got a way better chance of your latching lining up correctly and staying in the same spot when you adjust your doors. These doors almost always need hammer adjusted. Once they get tweaked out, you got to whack and hammer on them just right to adjust them so they close correctly. So we got this thing straightened up and welded up, tightened up. You might have noticed there how that bottom was so tight, I sort of had to tap to get the bolt in there, and that's a good thing. Now we're just gonna do a little hillbilly powder coating on it, and then we'll test the operation. Gotta hit y'all up real quick with a t-shirt ad. Boss Lady Tina's selling these t-shirts. Got NBS Welding on the chest, American flag on the sleeve, great big NBS Welding on the back. Send Tina an email request, nbswelding@aol.com, $25 plus the cost of shipping. Thank you.